Hey, it's Tyler here with ProSkill Services, and today we're going to look at a tub and shower pop-up drain clean. A lot of times people are standing in an inch or two of water while they're showering, and the reason for that is that their drain is full of hair and debris that builds up over time. I'm going to show you how to open that up and take the debris out and really alleviate that issue. So without further ado, let's take a look at it. Okay, so one of the things I'd like to point out is that I recommend this method of cleaning the drain over, say, using a chemical cleaner like a Drano, because Drano can actually damage the finish on a drain. For instance, in this drain, Drano's been used in the past, and it actually corroded the chrome because it's a caustic acidic chemical, and that's what happens when you put it or introduce it to a metal. So in this method, we're not using any chemicals, and we don't need really any type of specialty tools other than a channel lock, a flathead screwdriver, and a needle nose plier. And when we do this drain clean, we're going to take all of the obstruction out of it. There won't be anything left to basically capture new debris. It'll be starting essentially fresh. So let's go ahead and open up the drain and see what's in there. Now, the way we do this, and one thing to note, there's two different ways to get this guy off. Some of them will have an actual Phillips head or flathead screw on the side, in which you'll actually unscrew that set screw and then this will come off. But the majority of the ones that we run into, actually this top piece actually screws off, and sometimes it can be a little bit of stuck on there, especially if it's never been taken off. And then below it you'll find a flathead bolt. You just want to push that drain down at that point, use your flathead screwdriver, and I use, in conjunction with the flathead screwdriver, a channel lock, because sometimes this can be kind of seized in place, and you can actually break the slot where you put your flathead screwdriver. So flathead screwdriver, a little bit of extra leverage there, turn it, and then once you get that initial break free, typically we'll screw right out. Remove it, and in this case we caught all the hair on the screw there, but oftentimes you'll find that you'll have a lot of debris down here. You just want to use your needle nose plier and or your fingers, as you know, with the glove on would be nice. Pull it out. In this case, we'll pull this off. Set it to the side. Take your plunger, put it back in there, get it threaded. Tighten it down, and you don't have to tighten it down super tight, just get it to where it's snug. Put your top back on. And you're not going to have any more issues with your drain for quite a long time, unless you're putting stuff down. Like a lot of times kids' toys will have stickers and stuff like that, and they'll come off, peel off, and clog it up rather quickly. But that's how you do a simple pop-up drain clean for your bathtub, and it's something that I think most homeowners can do. Just be aware, if you get to a point where you feel like you're really forcing the drain open, it might be a good point to stop and call in a professional. But I would say, for the most part, if you've got these tools on hand, your typical homeowner would be able to do this and save themselves a little bit of money and not be standing in water anymore when they're taking a shower. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you want to continue to see videos like this, follow us on our YouTube channel or here on Facebook. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and put them into the comments. I'd be happy to answer them as they come up. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.